How to reset GiffGaff password. First of all, you'll need to go to the GiffGaff website, so go to giffgaff.com, try to log in, then obviously you will not know your password, so what you will need to do is click on the forgot your password link on this screen right here, whether you're on the website on your computer or on your phone. You'll need to get to this point here, click forgot your password, click either phone number, member name or email depending on what you know. For me, I know my phone number, so go ahead and paste that in. Make sure it's the not the plus version but the normal version of it. Click next on that to whatever version, click send reset link. Then it's going to send you it on either one of those different methods. For me, it was through text message, so you'll get a text message like that. You'll click the link, then you will be able to put in a new password. So go ahead and put that in. For me, it did actually take a few minutes to come, so you might need to be patient if that's potentially your issue. But it will come through eventually. Just give it around about 5 minutes, and if not, try a different way if one of those didn't work for you. But for me, all you have to do is put in the new password there, click reset password, then it should say top job, then it's done. Then you can go ahead and log into the account with that new either mobile number, member name and password. Then you should be able to log in. It might ask you for a verification code as well, so make sure you do have access to the phone number. That's the most important thing you can have, so try and find that on your phone if you don't know already. That makes the whole process a lot easier. But then once you're done, click log in with your new password and then you are finished. So leave a like on the video if that helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.